Hi guys, Abhishek here. Welcome back. So you've noticed that I've not posted for a while, and no crisis, no dramatic reason, just I stopped. And the reason for that is that I realized that I've been giving CPR content a lot. And believe me, it's a beautiful indicator. I think I use it as a final layer of my system, but it is not my system, right? So I realized that I have to give you everything that I know, at least so that I can simplify the trading analysis and you can join dots, right? So in my trading system, there are different layers. It starts from the basic, then you have another layer of analysis, another layer, and then finally CPR comes. Now we've been only hovering around the CPR. I'm gonna go deep now. I'm gonna start from scratch. I'm gonna start from this level where we put every layer on top of the previous analysis and try and understand how to connect dots with all the indicators or any strategy that we use. What I'm trying to say here is there are different camps in this world, right? Who believe only price is everything. And there is another camp who believe in indicators. There's another camp who believe in various indicators. Now I use various indicators and I've been very open about it. I've not hidden it. I'm going to teach you how to use them. How about using the best of the price action and the indicators to make sense in your analysis? All right, from now on, going forward, I'm going to start from scratch. Let's discover each layer and let's try and understand how to really do this properly, getting the best bits of all the world together. From now on, you're going to get two videos, one on a Tuesday, one on a Friday, hopefully this time without any breaks. And we're going to learn a lot from this content. Right? So before I move on and before I move on to the next video on the Friday, type that one strategy, that one concept of technical analysis that confuses you. Believe me, and you know this, that I read every message. I am going to make videos on those topics and help you out as well. All right. So I'm hoping to see you very soon on Tuesdays and Fridays. Now, if you're new here, please press subscribe so that you are subscribed to our channel and you know when we are posting. If you are someone who's already been here before, then welcome back. And I think we're going to have a blast going forward. Take care. Bye-bye.